guys, how's it going? It's Jamie the Crafty DIY Guy. Welcome to my channel. I'm very excited today because we have a shopping haul from Five Below, and I've got a lot more than just this one little bag. So let's get started on saying thank you. I know what you guys thought I was gonna say. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate you guys. And of course, if you're brand new to the channel, then welcome. Hopefully you'll stick around and become a subscriber. If you are an OG, thank you guys for being with me from the very beginning. I really appreciate it. And if you're somewhere in the middle, thank you as well. All right, let's jump into the haul. It's not a big one. I think I spent about $100. And you know, there's some, if you're not familiar with Five Below, Five Below is a store that the majority of items are $5 or less. There are some items that are definitely more than $5, but I would think that most everything that I've seen is $10 and less. Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen anything that's been over $10. And the stuff that's in the $10 range is really, really nice, I have to tell you. In fact, I'm going to show you this first thing that I grabbed, and this was $5. For some reason, I had in my mind that it was $10, and it was $5. It is a denim rug. It is 30 by 50, and I've actually had this rug before. I loved this rug so much and had it in my kitchen, and then I had to replace it recently with a rug that I bought at Pop Shelf, but it just wasn't as big. So this rug is going to be perfect in my kitchen, and it looks identical to the previous one that I had in there. So again, you know, you guys, if you've watched my deck makeover video, you know I'm a little bit of a creature of habit. So I find something I like, I stick with it. What can I say? The other thing that I grabbed were these great 3-pack of these mini potted plants. How cute are those? I thought that they could be perfect for, not only for some, you know, like staging and things when I'm doing some decor videos or DIY videos. They're always kind of nice to have on hand. But because they're in these white pots, I kind of thought that they'd be really cute in my bathroom on the window ledge. And, you know, yeah, I could have picked some up at Dollar Tree or somewhere like that because they do have succulents, and I would have only spent $3, but the pots aren't quite like that. And I don't know, I thought they were cute, so I got them. The other thing that I grabbed was this fantastic Pulse desktop microphone. I want to give this a try because I've read reviews on this. This is actually pretty good, and I want to see if it makes a difference when I am doing voiceover for my videos. Obviously not for this one because this is still in the box, but for future videos, we'll see how it goes. And this was, I believe this was $5. The price is not on it, and the receipt is somewhere in this bag that I'm still digging into. The other thing that I grabbed, these are hilarious, and I meant to take these out before I did this video. I was gonna do a silly intro with it, and I still might. But these tiny little hands, they're like fun for being, you know, goofy. They're just being silly, and I like to be silly. So that's what those are for. And then they also had this thing that I thought was really cool. So it's called Pod Skins. And if you have AirPods, and I have the Apple AirPods because the company that I work for actually gave them to us a couple years ago for Christmas. And if you're anything like me, I will lose them really, really easily. And what's cool about this is that this little case has a ring here that you put on it, so you can hook it to a backpack or a bag or your belt loop or anything like that. But also they have these little things because I have really weird shaped ears and they never stay in my ears, and these help them stay in your ears. The other thing that I really liked is they have this cord, and this cord goes around your AirPods kind of like that. So if they do slip out of your ears, it'll kind of catch it. And I don't know if that cord like goes in your pocket or if it connects to this. I have to figure that out. But a great little kit. And I think that this was like $5. And, you know, the AirPods are like $200. So this is a good investment as far as I am concerned. The other thing that I grabbed, and if you follow Sarah Jane from Chic on the Cheap, she recently did a Five Below haul as well, and she did one of these LED light up speakers for the shower. And what's great about it is Bluetooth enabled. It has a suction cup on the back, so it sticks to your shower wall. And it is, because it's Bluetooth, you can hook your phone up to it. But also what's great about it is it has buttons on there where you can pause, you can stop, you can fast forward. So, you know, if there's a playlist or music that you want to listen to when you're in the shower, you can certainly do that with this. Also, what's kind of random and really cool about this, I guess, if you're in the shower and you happen to get a phone call, you can answer your phone call with this as well. I'm probably not going to do that. Sarah Jane said the exact same thing in her video, but you know, you never know. Maybe it'll be a really important call, or maybe it'll be my call from HGTV or something like that. So who knows? But always good to be able to answer the phone when you need to. The other thing that I grabbed were this candle. And this candle is called Mood. And you know I love candles. I'm buying candles pretty much everywhere that I go. And this one, it says that a state of mind or moment is feeling it, is feeling it. And then it's sunflowers and spice. And it smells really, really good. It is nice and fresh. It's just, it's good. Just trust me. It's good. It's called Mood. I even like the packaging, and I love the coloring on this glass. I love that amber color. It goes really good in my living room. And when my pop shelf candle is gone, that's what I'll be using instead. The other thing that I grabbed, and I thought that this was a pretty good deal. I didn't really weigh it out, though. I couldn't remember how long the Dollar Tree string lights were, but this is a set of twinkle wire lights. It was $5. This is 12 feet. I was pretty sure that the Dollar Tree ones were not 12 feet long. And, you know, for Christmas time coming up, and you can kind of see a little peak right there. And if you saw my fall DIY video, then you've seen that already. But that is 2 string lights. And I'm thinking that this could go a lot further, and then I can use those string lights for other DIY projects. And they had these kind of like Dollar Tree does in copper, silver, and gold. And I got the copper color here, and they were $5. You can kind of see the $5 up there. The other thing that I grabbed is some of this lavender oil. It's lavender and bergamot, and it's called Just Chill. And I actually like to take this and I put it in my bedroom at night. And what I do is right before I go to sleep, after I'm, you know, getting ready to get all tucked in and turn the lights off and everything, I will take just a tiny, tiny little drop of this. And I mean a small drop of this. And I will drop it on the lamp light bulb that is on my nightstand. My bedroom has a ceiling fan in the ceiling, and the light isn't always on, but the lamp next to on my nightstand is always on. So what I do is I take some of this lavender oil and I do just a tiny, tiny little drop on the light bulb, and then I turn the light off, and because the light bulb is still hot, it actually lets this oil kind of infuse through the room, or at least, you know, close enough to my bed that I can smell it, and it helps me go to sleep at night. So that is something nice, and I have not had any lavender oil in a while, and I really like bergamot, so that's cool. The other thing that I grabbed, this is so silly, but you know, Five Below has a good selection of kind of like this vintage candy, or like, it's not really vintage, maybe it is vintage and I'm just old and not wanting to you know, acknowledge it, but this Necco candy, I freaking love this so much, and I get it anytime I see it, and I don't really see it at a lot of stores. And then these are the worst things in the world for you, but they're so good. And I love the Boston baked beans, so I got some of those too. And I'm gonna put them over here on this side, that way I can go to the couch and watch some videos and stuff and catch up. The other thing that I grabbed was this St. Ives Fresh Skin Scrub. I actually really do like this scrub, and I use it a lot in my shower. And because I've been doing groceries for so long on Instacart, I haven't been, you know, in the stores to even think about something like this. And I'm just kind of wanting something for my face, something that, you know, can kind of exfoliate. And that's why I like this St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub, because it does have like some little seeds or something in it that gets my face looking good. The other thing I grabbed, I thought that this was a fantastic deal, It is a food storage set. It is a 42-piece set. And it was $5. Check that out. I know that mine will never, ever, ever be this organized and contained in this one little container. It's a nice goal to think about. But for $5, like, that's kind of crazy. You could buy a bunch of these types of containers at Dollar Tree and spend $1 for each one, or you can get this 42-piece set for $5. Now, I'm sure that they count the lids as part of the pieces, but again, not a bad deal. And check out all the different sizes that you get in there too. So for $5, I was like, heck yeah. And they actually came in a lot of great different colors. The other thing that I grabbed, and I thought that this would be fun as a background in the craft room when I do my videos from there, like these little intro videos and stuff, is they had this really great LED leaf sign, and I just thought it was super cute. I love the color. I love these LED lights. I think these even look fun on your bar in your living room. I have a bar that's in my dining room, and I have some LED bar lights in there too, so it'll end up at one place or the other. The other thing I grabbed, because I am going to be traveling, by the time you see this video, I'll actually be back from traveling, but I'm going to be going to Los Angeles for a commercial shoot for my kind of day job. And this is a clip light that I can put on my computer because I am going to be doing the Crafty Chit Chat show from there. And my guest is I'm excited for her. And I wanted to make sure that I look my best when I'm there. The other thing I grabbed, you know that I recently redid my back deck. And they had this outdoor poof that is inflatable, but look at the colors. The colors are so perfect for my back deck. And I figured that this could be fun to keep, like, I have a little back porch before you go to the deck. And I'm just going to keep it there. And if I need extra seating, it's inflatable. Blow it up. I'm not going to be able to sit on it because, you know, I got a big old butt. But I think that some of my skinnier friends can sit on it for sure. The other thing I grabbed were some of this Eucalyptus Garland. It was $5. It's 40 inches. And what I liked about this is, first of all, that I could find Eucalyptus Garland, because I've not been able to find any of this at Dollar Tree. And I know that Dollar Tree does sometimes carry a Eucalyptus Garland. I've been able to find an ivy one, but not eucalyptus. And I wanted eucalyptus specifically for this kind of rattan wreath that I have. And it's a good fall wreath, or kind of like a good kind of in-between wreath. And that's what that's for. So I don't know if that'll be a DIY or not. I bought it at a thrift store. I guess it could be a DIY. And then I have like two more things. So, and literally when I say two more things, they are two of the identical things. And they're these great lanterns. Look how big they are. And they're all the same size. They had them in light blue. They had them in white, and then I grabbed the black ones because I thought that they could be, honestly, I thought that they could be used in a lot of different places. I was thinking originally that maybe they'd be really good on the front porch, on the steps, because you could put them on, you know, I have two steps going down, and I could put them down, and they're thin enough profile that they're not going to bother anything, or, you know, you're not going to trip over them. And that's why I grabbed them. And then, you know, you just put a candle or something inside of them. And again, you could put battery operated candles. You could put a regular candle. I probably, because of the way that this is shaped, I might even try, I don't know if it would go through there or not, but the Dollar Tree glass vases, the glass cylinders with a candle inside, and then just use one of those long, you know, lighters to light it up. But they'd be great next to the fireplace. There's a lot of different options. I think they'd even be really good up on the mantle there behind me. So that is it for the Dollar Tree haul, or for the Five Below haul. But also remember, if you have your receipts, you want to scan your receipts into Fetch Rewards. If you haven't heard of Fetch Rewards yet, Fetch Rewards is an online app. And you can scan or take pictures of your receipt every time that you go shopping, and you will earn points towards a free, or you'll earn points that you can then redeem for gift cards. And they have gift cards from all kinds of vendors and all kinds of retail stores. Amazon is probably my favorite, but Target, Walmart, you can even redeem them for Visa and MasterCard gift cards and all kinds of fun stuff. So be sure and save your receipts and just simply take a picture of what you've purchased, and you will earn points to go shopping again, essentially. I have a code in the description box below and a link for you, so please check that out. And tell them that the crafty DIY guy sent you. All right, guys, that is the shopping haul today. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite is. I think that this is probably my favorite. And there were also some other really, really cute things that I saw in the store that I did not purchase myself, but I did take some video of it so you could see them, because there's some really, really cute things. So be sure to check those out and then let me know in the comments below what your favorites were. All right, guys, take care. Bye. Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie the Crafty DIY Guy. Welcome to my channel. Here's a mess. Probably should have shaved today.